Hi there. Today, you're going to learn how to tune a guitar. I'm Russell Slaughter. First off, you'll need your guitar. We'll be tuning it to E standard. Most acoustic electric guitars come equipped with a tuner on its side, but we'll be using a chromatic tuner instead. The strings on a guitar from top to bottom are E, A, D, G, B, and E. Start by strumming the top E string a few times. Turn the appropriate tuning knob to make adjustments. And check your tuner to see if you're hitting the notes, illuminating a green light. Continue on to your A string, strumming it a few times. Make adjustments to your A string's tuning knob, and refer to your tuner to make sure you're hitting the right note. You'll continue this process for the rest of your strings. Your D string, your G string, your B string, and your final E string. This should leave you with a perfectly tuned guitar, ready to play. Now let's review what we've learned. You'll need your guitar and a chromatic tuner. You'll start by strumming the top E string. Adjust the tuning knob, and check to see that you're hitting the correct notes on your tuner. You'll repeat this step for the rest of your strings. Your A string, adjust the tuning knob, and then check the tuner for a response. Move on to your D string, your G string, your B string, and your final E string. And there you have it. Happy playing your freshly tuned guitar.